Hello everyone. In this video of our Sociology PYQ series, we will discuss about Protestant ethic and spirit of capitalism. So let's start. First of all, what is Protestantism? It is a religion of protest which was formed in 18th century Europe. It broke away from Catholic Church because of prevalence of doctrines and rituals which had no meanings. The founders of this faith was John Calvin and Martin Luther. Now, what are the main doctrines of Protestantism? The first important doctrine of this faith is individual glory, that is, own glory. You can reach to the path of God by your own deeds, and you don't need any priest or any ritual for the same. The second thing is predestination. That is, people are already chosen for heaven or hell. The third important doctrine is notion of calling. All works are sacred. Who are damned and who are saved, hard work is needed to decipher that. Now we will see how this ethic fueled capitalism, how this ethic provided a spirit for capitalism. So the first thing is, it promoted ascetic lifestyle. That is wealth not for enjoyment, not for pleasure, but for more wealth. Thus, providing investment for capital, providing investment for factories, tools. Secondly, it provided a work ethic, that is work for long hour in glory of God to decipher that they are damned or saved. Thus, providing hard working employees that can fuel production, that can lead to more production and more profit. Third thing was hard work as virtue. In Protestantism, idleness was seen as sin. That means they valued productivity, and thus it led to more efficiency in production. Thus, increased productivity and investment led to economic growth. The combination of these factors fostered the spirit of capitalism. Why not other religions? Why only Protestantism? If we talk about Hinduism, the doctrine of karma, dharma, caste system, they were based on not achievement, but ascriptive. They were ascriptive in nature. Greed was seen as sin. Thus, there was no spirit to fuel capitalism, according to Max Weber. Now we talk about China, where there was prevalence of Taoism. The Taoism and the Chinese society was based on traditional kin-based society. Thus, here also, the spirit that was needed to fuel capitalism was not present. However, his theory has been criticized. The first criticism is selective focus. He focused or concentrated on certain aspect and ignored others, like Banya, Chettiar, Jainism. They have the spirit of capitalism. So he took selective element from Hinduism. Now let's talk about doctrine of calling. So doctrine of calling is not something which is exclusive in Calvinism or Protestantism. It is also present in Catholicism. This is the criticism of his theory. Thank you very much. Take care. Best wishes.